morning. Closing Bell exclusive. Salesforce President and COO Brett Taylor and Snowflake Chairman and CEO Frank Slootman. Good to have you both, gentlemen. Brett, just on the announcement today, help explain in English what this is and why you've looked to COVID-19 and how that's changed how we work and how we lived to announce some of these updates.
Well, this pandemic just accelerated the digitization of the whole economy. Events like this, I'm talking to you over Zoom right now. Events are being broadcast over Twitter and YouTube instead of being in conference centers. And the 4 million B2B sellers all around the world have stopped getting on airplanes, stopped being in conference rooms, stopped taking their clients out to dinner, and they've done business over video chat all year long. And, we survey sales reps all around the world, and over half say they're not going to get on airplanes to do their business anymore. And I joke that the other half just haven't seen the new travel and entertainment policies from their CFOs yet. Digital selling is here to stay. So we're really trying to reimagine, the sales process for this post-pandemic world, building in things like, video meetings, helping train all the salespeople in the world how to be effective in this new digital selling model. And most importantly, as we look forward to this recovery, which is thankfully seemingly accelerated by the rollout of vaccines, helping all customers around the world get back to growth, which I think is top of mind for every C in the world right now.
Frank, you guys have history here with Salesforce. They were an early investor. You're obviously in partnership here. Though we have seen a lot of these cloud and software partnerships over the years. Big hype, lots of big announcements, CEOs coming on CNBC, and yet some of them have died. Some of them haven't really amounted to much. Why is this different?
Well, our relationship with Salesforce is important at a couple of different levels. We're a big Salesforce customer, so we're using it to enable our sales operations. I mean, we had to walk away from our offices last year and continue to sell and not miss a beat, which we were able to do. But it's bigger than that. I mean, every single one of our customers, is syncing Salesforce data to Snowflake. So we're joined at the hip here. The Sales Cloud is much about, workflow automation, reporting, dashboarding, and so on. But it's also become entirely data-driven now, which is, why the Snowflake relationship with Salesforce is so important.
The thing we floated towards the top, Frank, the idea of analyzing what is being said on work, Zoom, or other video-enabled, tech-enabled calls. Is that something where we start to go down the route of too much invasion of privacy? Yes, this will be on work calls where no doubt employees have signed something that allows the monitoring of that sort of thing by employers. But would they be fully aware of it ahead of it happening?
Yeah, I mean, that sounds a bit intrusive. I think there's a lot more lower hanging fruit. I know, for example, we do extensive scoring of probability scores on sales opportunity out of Salesforce because we want to be able to direct our salespeople to opportunities that close quickly, that close productively, rather than things that are going to waste their time. And you need a ton of data and a ton of analytical operations to figure out what those are. So that's really where a lot of this effort is going, rather than trying to basically monitor people's behavior online.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.